Industrial accidents and manufacturing errors cost the global economy billions every year. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, a single broken capsule can ruin an entire batch or endanger patient safety. Currently, factories rely on standard CCTV cameras, but these are passive. They require a human guard to watch monitors 24/7. This is expensive and unreliable. A human guard cannot maintain 100% concentration for an entire shift, leading to fatigue and missed errors that can have catastrophic consequences. Introducing VisionOps AI Safety Monitor. We turn standard CCTV cameras into intelligent autonomous guardians powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro. VisionOps doesn't just record video, it understands it. It detects unsafe behavior and quality control issues in real time, eliminating the need for constant human supervision.
Let's see in action. Once logged into our secure command dashboard, the system begins monitoring the live feed. As Gemini 3 analyzes the video frames, look what happens here.
Alert. Personnel is missing critical personal protective equipment, PPE, for a pharmaceutical environment, including a hairnet, face mask, and gloves, which poses a severe contamination risk to the products.
It instantly detects any kind of error that is happening in the industry, like if the worker is not in proper uniform or is not wearing proper equipment, or if there is any kind of machinery error, and etc. etc. Then the dashboard flashes a danger alert, logs the timestamp, and triggers a multi-channel response, an audio warning on the floor, and instant SMS to the safety manager via Twilio. Finally, safety officers can generate a comprehensive PDF incident report with one click, ensuring full compliance and digital audit trail.
Under the hood, VisionOps is built on a robust Python backend. We use Streamlit for the front end with a reactive 3D neural network background. The core intelligence is the Gemini 3 Pro multi-model model. We send video frames directly to the API with a specialized prompt to analyze safety compliance. Its high-speed inference allows us to catch errors that traditional computer vision misses, while Twilio handles the urgent alerts. While VisionOps is currently optimized for industrial safety, the underlying Gemini 3 architecture is universal. By simply updating the system prompt, this same technology can be instantly adapted to secure schools, monitor retail stores, or protect bank vaults. VisionOps isn't just a factory tool, it's a scalable safety platform for any environment. Thank you.